Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck. Today I've teamed up with Hermosa Hair and they sent over this gorgeous pre-everything, pre-styled lace wig. She's 24 inches in length and she comes with this gorgeous loose wave. I'm gonna be giving you guys a straight out of the box, beginner friendly install with a little bit of style. We're gonna do an updo, we're gonna do some wand curls, and did I mention she fits 100% glueless? So if you wanna see how we got this look, let's get started. Hype me up, baby girl. Okay, love bugs. Happy Friday to me and happy whatever day it is wherever you are in the world. Today I've teamed up with Hermosa Hair and they sent me over a pre-styled wig. Now this one here has the not one but two rollers in it, so I'm super excited to see it. I kept it in the net because that's kind of what keeps like the style and the curls all intact. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's Friday, so it's dance day with just Dominic, but I have a whole hour to get ready. You guys know I usually wait till like 15 minutes before it's time to go, which honestly I feel like my best work happens when I am under pressure. So let's see what we have today. As I mentioned, this is Hermosa Hair's pre-style wig, so you do have some pre-style curls. I think I'm gonna go in with a wand curler and really give those a whirl, if you will. This one here has the fringe bang in the front, preset with the roller. If you flip the cap back a little bit, you'll see in the inside that this one here is a pre-everything lace wig, so you do have that pre-cut lace and it has that nice scallop cut. You have the pre-bleached knots and you could kind of tell when the knots are bleached. You'll see better when I put the wig on. I'm trying to keep it intact, if you will, but the knots are really nicely pre-bleached, and then the hairline is pre-plucked, which you really can't see because again, hashtag bangs. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's go ahead and put her on and just see what we're working with. Oh, I almost forgot to share the remainder of the inside construction of the cap. You do have the elastic band in the center. It is removable and adjustable, and then at the nape you do have a comb, a wig comb here, so you'll be able to use that, and then on the side you have two additional combs. Now let's go ahead and put her on. So this is what she looks like on. Very sassy in my little bedroom house coat. When I pull it back, you guys can see the hairline is pre-plucked. The lace also does fit glueless, and you can kind of tell it's laying really nice and flat and flush. And this is what the hair looks like from the back straight out of the box. We haven't brushed or combed or anything like that. So now let's go ahead and get into the install. For the curls, I am going to use the Numi wand curler, I think, because I think this will kind of match the curls that's already provided. And then of course we're going to be using the electric hot comb to, you know, do our dynamic duo. So let me get everything fired up. And just like that, having what was almost like an hour to get ready turned into half an hour. Just that quick. So let's get to it. I am trying to decide if we need to do anything to the actual real hairline. I feel like it's always good to treat or take care of your hairline, but this also is such a simple and easy wig that I don't want to make it too difficult. I feel like my edges on the side are a little bit crusty and you really can't see it, but I can feel it. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of these first, and I'm just going to use some edge control and a baby hair brush and just sweep those back really nice and clean. Now that doesn't make a difference to you guys, but it most certainly makes a huge difference to me because you can't see it, but should you see it, you'll be able to see it. So I want to make sure it's already taken care of. Now the next step for me is going to be just to simply comb the hair out. I'm nervous because I want to wait to the last minute, but I also want to see what we're working with like straight out of the box. So let's just go ahead and do that. So the ends have a nice little wave pattern to it. Then you just remove these, and again, I like really these nice French bangs, and you kind of keep these to the side because you'll be able to use them. You see how they bounce and they already have a curl to them, so you just want to be able to see what you're working with. As far as the hairline goes, you can see it's nice, so we can go ahead and tint that at some point, but essentially this is the vibe that we're going for. Now we can just spend a few minutes kind of like perfecting it, if you will. And that's why I wore this robe today. This one is from Shein. I did like $100, maybe $150 haul from them. And I got some really nice pieces. Maybe I'll do a haul with everything because it's all like sitting on my bed right now. So maybe I'll do a quick try on for you guys to show what I got. In the meantime, I'm gonna take a little bit of the wax and we're gonna do the dynamic duo just to make this look a little bit more neat up top. And I'm not gonna bring it too far forward because I want to keep this exactly how it is. Also, before you do this, decide if you need to like clean up the hairline. Again, I'm going to keep it as is for now. I just want it to be a little bit more smooth. Okay, so now we did the dynamic duo, and you guys can see the proof is in the pudding. It's a necessary step for me because look at how awesome and flat the top looks. Now I don't want to keep brushing it out, but I also do want to keep seeing like what we do need to do. The urge to go in and like how do you say, take care of the hairline but not necessarily needing to is sending me, because it's like I want to go in, of course, and tint the lace, but then I also kind of want to like melt the hairline, but there's absolutely no reason. This one fits 100% glueless and you don't need to do that. So let's just go ahead and tint the lace because we don't need to add any hairspray because it fits perfectly. So I'm going to take Ruby Kisses in the shade 15. We're going to go ahead and pack this in the parting and the hairline, and if this is too dark in the parting, I'm going to switch it to a, no, this is a 16. Yeah, this is 16. So if it is too dark in the hairline or the parting, I'll adjust. Okay, I'm holding it this way because I want you guys to see, as much as we're gonna accentuate the French bang or the bang, look at how beautiful the hairline is. It's not melted down with any spray, glue gel, or anything like that. We simply just use a quick lace tint, and yes, it did transfer to the skin. I'll take care of that later. But I want you to see, as much as we're gonna pull it forward for the French bang effect, you can also take and just simply like twist it, if you will, and just put bobby pins, and you can have a really nice away from the face look. You can also do like a half up, half down, and catch that hair into a pony or a bun or anything like that, and that also is a way to kind of get the hair out of your face. And I say that because of course this is going to fire and it's going to look its best in the way the hair was cut by the brand. But of course, you know, you have those days when you're just in mommy mode or you want to go to the gym, you kind of want to pull it out of your face, so you want to know that you have the options. And because it is like a longer cut, you can see that you do have the option to go ahead and switch it up. So now that we kind of pretty much have the install and the style together, we're pretty much almost done. But we can definitely go in and just touch up the curls and just play with them. Now I'm no expert, so I don't want to do too much, so I'm kind of gonna just pull what is that as the bang forward. I'm gonna just play with it a little bit. Okay, love bugs, kiddos are home from school, and Papa, apparently there's something going on with Fortnite because he literally ran from the car to his room, FaceTimed his bestie, and they are both recording, filming, I don't know. Anyways, I went ahead and did the curls on this one, and I'm kind of letting them set. I didn't add any holding spray because I kind of sort of want to wait until they're done. Let me bring you guys down a smidge so you can see top to bottom. Okay, I think that's better. So I'm going to take my unbrush and I'm just going to literally unbrush the curls, and you see it's the same exact curls or very similar to what came straight out of the box, just a little bit more defined. So that was a perfect barrel. I used the Numi wand, and I think I used the middle barrel. So it comes with 3, and I think I used the one that's like the middle, if that makes any sense. But you guys can see it's like similar to what came in the box, or straight out of the box rather, except it has a little bit more oomph, and we love that. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of hairspray on both sides. And this should make the hair hold through all of the things. If we want to go out later on tonight, my hair will still be nice and live. And this is what the hair looks like from the back. Super gorgeous. Also with the bang, I kind of curled it too much. You see how I feel like it should be just a straight fluid bump. I'm going to use this and see if I can kind of, I'm deciding, do I want to fix it? Because now I like the way it looks. Let's see. Yeah, see, this is the kind of curl I was looking for. Okay, so we're officially done with this look and it's 3:27, which means I took the entire time. Now granted, I did take a little bit of a break. I'm so happy that the wig came out absolutely perfect. Installed, styled, and literally 100% glueless. We didn't add any gel, any glue, any spray. So you can take this one off and, you know, shower, get to your face and all of the things. And then you can put her back on untouched. Just keep a little bit of like a mannequin head on the side. That way you can just take her off, keep the style, and be good to go. My little one is here and ready to go to baby co, so I need to hurry up because she's urging me to get her to her dance class. Say period.
Period.
Period, baby. Okay, really quickly, just like that, we did an updo. I'm headed to take Dominic to her dance classes, and I just took 2 clips. Put them in there. When the hair's thicker, I typically would take 2 clips just because it'll hold for sure the whole time and not fall apart. And if it's edges or sideburns or anything kind of showing, you kind of just use your fingers to pull it forward. Not too much in the back, but you get the picture. And of course, if you were going to something fancy, you would do like a really nice clip. These are just everyday clips. And yeah, nice quick updo, and now we can get back into the rest of the video. But before we go, let me go ahead and show you guys what they included in my package. This is the dust bag from Hermosa Hair, so you guys can see it has that purple and gold vibe. Very much regal, royalty, period. And then also, this is the bag the wig came in, and it lets us know this is a 24-inch, and it says it's your beauty, your way. I read that completely wrong. It says your beauty, our duty. I think I read what I wanted to read. Anyways, here is the goodies. They gave us this green dust bag, super cute. I never see this color. And inside we did get the Hermosa Hair milk belt, nice and thick. We also got a pack of HD wig caps. We also got a pack of travel size makeup brushes, which my daughter loves. You want them? We also got some press-on nails, which my oldest daughter would appreciate, but they're way too long, so I'm not gonna give them to her. And then also we got a 2-pack of 3D mink lashes, and they are from Hermosa Hair. Super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go and get my baby to dance class. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. You got a nice, full, quick, easy, glueless install with some wand curls, and you even got a updo in there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches. Hit it, baby. Tell them. Say.
Smooches.
Purr.